Hello everyone. I am Dr. Deepak Goenka here from Guwahati Institute of Human Reproduction. Let us discuss a little bit about IVF. IVF means in vitro fertilization. Normally, the fertilization and the whole process of the pregnancy occurs within the human body, within the body of a female. But when we are talking about IVF, it means in vitro fertilization. Whenever we take out the egg and the sperm outside the human body and fertilize it and try for pregnancy, then we call it in vitro fertilization. In vitro means outside the body and in vivo means within the body. So here we are doing the whole process outside the body. So that's why we call it in vitro fertilization or IVF. Let us understand the process of IVF. How do we do it? Normally, every woman, every female develops only one egg every month. With one egg, our chances of pregnancy is less than 10% in every cycle naturally. Are we happy with less than 10% chances of pregnancy? Not at all. When we are assisting and we are trying for pregnancy medically, we are looking for a much better success rate. So, when we do IVF, we stimulate the ovaries of a woman and the eggs which are destined for death. We prevent the death of these eggs and develop more number of eggs, say around 10 or 15. And we do continuous ultrasound and monitor the maturity of these eggs. Once these eggs are mature, we take them out with the help of a needle and under anesthesia so that patient is very comfortable. Once the eggs are in our hand, this is where the expertization of a doctor, expertization of a laboratory matters. How well a laboratory handles your eggs decides what will be your success rate. Because naturally human eggs are not supposed to come out of your body. Here we are taking out the eggs out of your body and keeping it into the laboratory. And these are very sensitive, delicate oocytes or eggs. Little bit of deviation from the nature and our success rate compromises. This is why a very high level of sophisticated laboratory and very qualified embryologist is required in case of IVF. Once the eggs are in our hand, we take the sperm from the husband. Once both sperm and the eggs are in the laboratory, we fertilize them into the laboratory. Once the eggs and sperms are fertilized, we call them embryo. And these embryos can be kept back into the uterus of a girl in two different ways. Either we can do it immediately in the same cycle, the cycle in which we have taken out the eggs, we call them fresh transfer, or better, we can go for frozen embryo cycle. That is, in the subsequent cycle, we can transfer them. Nowadays, we prefer to transfer most of the time these embryos in the next cycle. This gives us better success rate, less complication and a healthier baby. So, if you have any more question regarding IVF, please feel free to call us or contact us. This is just in a nutshell what is IVF. Thank you.